We're here at the beautiful community of Seacliff, which is in Carlsbad. It's 300 homes, 200 roofs that we're working on. A community of townhomes. It's about a mile off the coast. Beautiful neighborhood, as you can see. So what we're doing here is treating and extending the life of these 300 roofs using Roof Maxx. We've got 3 people working on this, and we should be done by October 14th.
21 years ago, we followed a car in the gate, started driving around, and we saw a home for sale, fell in love. We knew that we're looking at 27, 28 years of wear, but we had always gotten good reports. Our fiduciary duty is to take care of our residents, and Martin came in to present Roof Maxx to give us a little bit more of that timing so that our monies could stay in reserves. It became a win-win. You know, when you hear about a solution that you put on your roof and it soaks in and it does this and it does that, they were a little skeptical. And I said, look, if you soften these shingles, they don't lose the granules. They last longer. I said, I'm not here to sell Roof Maxx, I said, but what they're talking about makes sense. And when you add to it the natural aspect of the soy, you add the cleanup, and very, very importantly, this tune-up that he presented to us. That's where all the problems occur, the things that they're tuning up. So I said to the board members, I said, you gotta be kidding me. This is like a no-brainer.
We get a lot of questions from the community about what it is you're putting on the roof. Is it safe? Is it gonna hurt my begonias? Is it gonna hurt the dog? Is it gonna hurt the kids? So we had a lot of time speaking with the board members. We had HOA meetings where the residents came in, and we had to reassure them that this is what we're doing, this is why we're doing it. It's not some nasty chemical we're spraying on the roof. It's a plant-based, eco-friendly treatment that's actually gonna bond with the natural asphalt in the asphalt shingles and extend the life of the roof.
A lot of issues and questions and doubters. He did one roof, Jim's roof. Jim is our most expertise. I think he actually worked on roofs when he was in college.
To put myself through undergraduate school, I worked for a roofing company. And so I knew the level of shingle deterioration that he was talking about.
So he's our expert on roofs. He did his roof, he was impressed. I contacted a bunch of references that Martin gave me. And amazingly, the guys called me back, and we're all very positive on it. And they have been absolutely terrific. If there's an issue, Martin's on top of it. His people are great, and he is phenomenal.
We've done one of the largest jobs in Roof Maxx's history here, where we've treated 300 homes in a very high-end community, and it's actually enabled the board members to avoid giving the residents a large special assessment, is what they call it. HOAs have to manage the HOA dues, and each month they get charged $300–400 each resident to pay for the upkeep. And here there's constant landscaping going on, there's the pool, there's the roof, so everything's expensive. The paint's being done right now. If they were to replace every roof here, probably would have cost $6–7 million. And they just wanted to make sure they could extend their capital and balance the books in the right ways.
You have to accumulate enough money to replace the roofs on all the houses. And in our case, we were always under the impression it was going to cost us about $3 million. And then we learned, as we do reserve studies and stuff, that we were a little off. And then that became part of the consideration. They tell us we're going to get 5 years extra out of it. If we get 2 years, we break even. If we get 5 years, we're way ahead of the game.
I have gotten no negatives personally at all. And believe me, the board is the complaint department, so if there were negatives, I'd know. Take a look at your reserve funds, take a look at what new roofs would cost your entire place, take a look at Roof Maxx, and see if you can't regain some of that with the time that it's going to give you. And that's exactly what we did.